Baklava is a sweet pastry that is popular in many countries, including Greece, Turkey, and the Middle East. It is made with layers of phyllo dough, chopped nuts, and a sweet syrup. Here is a recipe to make baklava at home. Ingredients needed to prepare baklava: 16 ounces phyllo dough thawed by package instructions, 1¼ cups unsalted butter, 10 or 2½ sticks, melted, 1 pound walnuts finely chopped, about 4 cups, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons lemon juice of 1/2 lemon, 3/4 cup water, 1/2 cup honey, melted chocolate chips optional, chopped walnuts for garnish optional. How to prepare homemade baklava. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 F. 2. In a large bowl, mix together the chopped walnuts, cinnamon, and sugar. 3. Brush a 9 by 13-inch baking dish with melted butter. 4. Unroll the phyllo dough and cut it to fit the size of the baking dish. 5. Layer the phyllo dough in the baking dish, brushing each layer with melted butter. 6. After every 4 to 5 layers, sprinkle a layer of the nut mixture over the phyllo dough. 7. Repeat until all the phyllo dough and nut mixture is used up. 8. Cut the baklava into diamond or square shapes. 9. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the baklava is golden brown. 10. While the baklava is baking, make the syrup by combining the lemon juice, water, honey, and sugar in a saucepan. Bring to a boil and then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. 11. Remove the baklava from the oven and immediately pour the syrup over it. 12. Let the baklava cool completely before serving. 13. If desired, drizzle melted chocolate over the baklava and sprinkle with chopped walnuts. Enjoy your homemade baklava.